I'm Devin O'Brien. If you've been around here before, you know that I love whipped drinks. Now I'm gonna show you how to take it up to the next level, whipped pink lemonade. The first thing we're gonna do is make a lemon simple syrup. It's so easy, I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. So we're just heating this over medium heat, equal parts granulated sugar and water. Then you wanna bring this mixture to a simmer and make sure you stir it occasionally. That's just gonna help the sugar dissolve. All right, so now we've got a little simmer going. We are going to add the zest of 1 lemon. I am using a peeler to get large pieces of lemon because this is just gonna make it a lot easier to strain out the zest. Just be careful not to get too much of this white pith. That part's gonna be really bitter. Turn off the heat, and then you're gonna wanna cover it and set it aside for about an hour. Okay, so now we can whip up our drink. 1/2 cup of that lemon simple syrup we just made, 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of unsweetened non-dairy milk. I'm using coconut milk. You know, it's got that like tropical flavor going on. 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries and 1/2 cup of ice. And that is it. Thick and creamy. I love the color too. You can see just how thick and slushy that. Oh no! Cut. Ooh. We're gonna garnish with a little lemon wedge here and give it a try. It's so good. It tastes just like pink lemonade. Go make these and have them all summer long. Comment below and let me know what you want me to make next. And if you do make this one, tag me in it on Instagram. It's time for me to go add a little tequila to this. Cheers.